Hey everybody, it's Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. I came on here to do a quick haul. Went to Dollar Tree today. Went out to lunch with my friend. I said that in my last video, staying cool. But went to Dollar Tree, picked up another one of the pencil boxes. I ran out, and I said, well, let me get one more. Right, so the pencil box. Like, you want to know that I got dry cloths because I use a lot of these because of the cat hair, and I have one of those thing that vacuums and has a little Swiffer thing on it. Got one of those. This is not what I was looking for, but I'm going to say okay for now. Somebody had shown on here at their Dollar Tree, they showed one that had the 3 holes in it, for it to fit in a notebook, and it had this thing on the side, and they put these into, that whole, put their stamps in there, and this held their stamps in to keep them from falling out the side. But this is like legal size almost, and it won't fit in a regular book. Yeah, see, it's a 13 by 9 1/4. It won't fit in my notebooks. So if anybody, do you think I could find it on their website, on Dollar Tree website? I just don't know what it would be called. This says file organizer, but I forget who I was watching. It was somebody off of Robin's Feathered Nest. She mentioned her in one of her recent videos, but it was a really good idea, but I just I didn't find the right size. Okay, and then I have so many composition books, but this one has arrows and kind of sparkly. It has, I don't know if you can see the sparkly arrows or not, but I had to have that. I just thought that was the cutest thing. It's just, that's it. Just arrows, nothing else special about it. But hey, Dollar Tree. And then I found this. And I don't know if this is actually going to show up on the video or not, but it's a 3D ruler. It's not really good for measuring much, but it's like, I don't know if those are chameleons or geckos, and I don't know if it'll actually show up 3D on the camera, but it is the funniest thing. And me and my friend, we just sit here and we were, standing there laughing, said, look at it, it looks like it's jumping out of the ruler. Anyway, I had to have it because it amused me. So I had to have the ruler. And then they had fall and Halloween out. Just a little bit. Okay, I found, alright, I'll wait for it. A teal velvet pumpkin. I don't know if it's going to show up teal on camera or not, but this is definitely the teal on the green side of teal. But I mean, to me it looks like it's showing up blue, but then I thought, oh my gosh, pumpkins, Halloween, teal, my bedroom. I'm gonna have a pumpkin in my bedroom. Okay, put that there. Maybe you want to see that. Want to see that? Okay. Found ribbon. I have enough ribbon, but then I was into making the cards, and I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and get it. It looks like it's a glitter ribbon, and it doesn't look like it's going to rub off much. So I went ahead and got the black and the orange and the ribbon. And then I found these. These are wood stickers, girls. Wood stickers. Okay, got some painted ones, got some glitter ones, and then we got some that are just plain. And they had a package where they were just plain, but I said I like the glitter and I like the painted ones. You could even put some more decorating on there if you wanted, like, if you had little eyes or something you wanted to put on there. I kind of like them just the way they are, so got those. And then they had all different kinds of this adhesive diamond wrap. Now, I've never seen it adhesive before. I've always just seen the regular, just where the mesh bling where you cut it. Call it diamond wrap, we call it mesh bling, didn't we? but I thought it was pretty. The gold with the orange coppery looking leaves on it. I thought those were pretty. Got something on my Kindle there. Then went over to the Halloween part and they had skulls. Now they had skulls in purple and orange maybe, or black and purple. I don't know, but this was better. I like this as much as I like purple and that kind of colors like that. It's like this was the one that really spoke to me. So I got that one, and then this one is really cool. This one was my favorite one. Pumpkins, orange pumpkins on black mesh. Like I said, this is adhesive, and I don't even do cutesy. Those are kind of, some of them are cutesy, but some of them are kind of evil looking. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? Some of them got the cutesy face, and some of them got the evil face. And it says it's, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to open this to see if it's actually adhesive. Okay, let me see. It's 83 degrees back here in my craft room. Okay. Tear it all up. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, it is. It's adhesive. I'll be darned. And it's pretty darn sticky too. This was not at my Dollar Tree in the town where I live. Our Dollar Tree in town is just, I'll look to see if they've got it, but it just kind of sucks. But this was in the next town over. It's about 15 miles. All right. And it was perfect because I got out a couple of more Halloween Love Nicole paper pads that I had gotten last year. This one's Dark Shadows. Now I got these last year. This is some I'm going to be working with. There's like 4 of each page. See the skulls. See, and the black and white skulls and the black and white skulls. Yeah. All right. And that's rats. That's bloody handprint. That's feathers. You could use that with just about anything. And that. And trick or treat. Pumpkins and pumpkins. Not exactly orange, but okay. It was that one. That one's Dark Shadows. I don't know if they still have these. And then this one was Vintage Halloween. Like I said, I got these last year. There's the pumpkin paper. That's cute too. That right there. With the pumpkin. With the pumpkin. And that one. Yeah. Yeah, did it do good? And as I said, I want to work with this paper here a little bit. Cats. Pumpkins. Witches. Ghosts. Pumpkins. I don't know. Vintage Halloween cards. And witches. I wanted to try to do something with these 2 pads. Like I said, the Vintage Halloween and the Dark Shadows. And I think whenever I got those, I think they were on sale for like $2.50 each. All right, there's something else I need to address here. I was asked by Jane Nielsen, who, Janie, I'm sorry, I forget where you are. She's over one of the cold countries, like Norway or Denmark, isn't it? Anyway, she saw whenever I mentioned these, the One Sheet Wonder. Now I found these on Pinterest, and this one right here seemed to be a very popular one by this lady right here. Seonsuk Duncan, SEONSOOK Duncan, DUNCAN, and it's how to cut a sheet of paper, a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, card sizes. And I went on and I found some others. This is a 12 by 12 where you cut it in a certain way. And I can't get that apart. And this is another way of cutting it. This is by Get Creative with Tracy, and she's in the UK. And then this is the size cards. I needed this because I didn't know what size the cards, you know, A1, A2, A6, A7. And this one is 2, 3, 5, 2. I'm not really sure. 1, 2. I'm not sure what size paper that is. Anyway, this is a 6 inch 6x6 one sheet wonder cut, and that's a 6x6, and this is 8.5 by 11, and then this is another 12 by 12, I think. Yeah, 5, 15, 10, 11, 12. No, it's not a 12 by 12. It looks like a 16 by 16. Anyway, may not use that one, but I found these on Pinterest, and what I did was when I found them, and instead of going to where they originated and trying to print them off, I just did a right click and save as, and just went over and popped these into my Word program and printed and pasted them there and then printed them off that way. But definitely that's what's, you know, this said to use double-sided paper, but that's a 12 by 12 one sheet wonder template right there. And it tells you how, I got confused, it tells you how many cards you're supposed to be able to get down here, but I don't think you can get that many. And then what I did also, I'm going to show you my Kindle. This is my Pinterest page. What I did was I went in and I typed in oh, that looks yellow. I don't know why it's doing that. One sheet wonder cards, and it gave me like this. See, like that, showing you how it would be arranged on the page or on the card itself. See, like some of those with the diamond cuts. So that's what I did. These are one sheet wonder cards that have been made out of those templates that you've been seeing. It didn't really say which template they used. It would have been nice, but yeah, that's what I did. That's how I searched. One sheet wonder template, 12 by 12 template, or 6 by 6 template, and then I went in and I searched for the cards that were made with those templates. So I hope that Jane, I hope that helps helps you figure out how to find it if you have a Pinterest account, because sometimes you can't just go on Pinterest. You have to set up an account, but it's free. So, or you might be able to find it elsewhere, maybe in Google Images or something like that. You might be able to find these templates like this. All right. So anyway, that just wanted to share all that with you. Like I said, I want to be working with these because Halloween is the next holiday. I've not had any luck at all with patriotic cards, or I would say Labor Day. Labor Day is not really a patriotic day. Labor Day, for those of you who don't understand it, is as a day off for the American worker, and not even all workers get off. Have you ever seen a hospital close? So anyway, like I said, my purdies, I was real tickled. I mean, think $1, you know, $1 a sheet. Come on, and then that. All right, and that was all for this time around, and I'll come back on here whenever I have something else to share. All right. So thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate all the comments I've been getting. I really do. It's very encouraging. I love being part of this community. I always did love being a part of the YouTube crafting community, and I feel like I know you, and it's fun. It's like getting together with friends whenever I make a video or whenever I watch one. All right. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have a really great and cool rest of your Sunday. Bye.